What's up, guys? It's your girl Matt Cox from A Couture Crafting. I am your quilty BFF, and I am getting ready to show you guys some more fabrics. I have kitted some more fabrics for you all. I hope you guys get excited about fabric the way I do, because I just gush over fabric, and I want you guys to gush too. Yes, Fabric Cafe is aware that I'm doing this. They want me to do this. There is no way that we would pull the exact same kits and things like that. But the spiel is the same. 3 yards of fabric will get you a lap size quilt. If you buy 2 kits, you can make a twin. If you buy 4, you can do a queen king. It's an amazing concept. You guys know that my brand is pretty much built off of Fabric Cafe. It's what I'm known for. So it just makes sense that I do it too, but do it my way. So yes, these will be weird and funky and different and edgier. You know, they just will be. Just something else, just giving folks just a different point of view of fabric. So, no further ado, let's get started. We are back to fabric drops. This is absolutely beautiful. Toadstools in a gorgeous rainbow. We have a matching rainbow stripe that goes with this fabric, and then we're going to toss in mine. This should be cool with some that are chopped up really tight, or you can make this the focus, or you can even make this ombre the focus and put something over it. These rainbows, it's such a pretty rainbow. Not all rainbows are created equal, but I like that they match, and I really enjoy these toadstools. And these little things right here with this olive green, absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, this is our first kit. I think I'm going to name this Rainbows in the Sky. I think that one will be lovely. So Rainbows in the Sky for this one. So most of you might know me for my Free Spirit love and Tula Pink, but when I tell you I just love fabrics and a vibe is a vibe, and I like putting together vibes, I kind of feel like I am dressing you all for your Oscars. Your Oscars are your quilts, and I am able to dress you and advise you on how to put stuff together. And this right here, I'm calling this pure luxury, because this is the luxurious kit that I have pulled thus far. This has kind of a sparkle to it, nothing that's going to come off in your hand or anything like that, but it's got like a metallic-ness in the fabric. So yes, this kit right here is all the luxury. I am living for it. Look at that beautiful print up there. Get into it. We've got these teals and these pinks and these oranges and this mellow kind of a yellow. I think you'll like this one. This is probably my favorite thus far. Now, I know I said the last kit was my favorite, but this one might be my favorite too. Is that possible? Can I do that? I doubt it. This is so pretty. And mixed with this right here, I really, really like it. I have put it with my fabric right here just to give you, I'm always going to choose an ombre. But don't worry, I'm going to give you this one more way. But check out how vibrant, how beautiful these images are. This is the one that you can just stare at forever. Great focal print here. And then, of course, we've got Miss Sophistication in this blender. So give me 1 second, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to give you the other one. And the name for this one is going to be Limoncello, because, you know what, it's giving limoncello vibes, seeing as all that it literally says Limoncello. So this one here is the second way that I'm going to give it to you. This matches perfectly with it. It definitely goes. If you're tired of my fabrics and you're like, we don't want to see another ombre, I think this is a delicious way for this to go also. It still gives me beachy and whatnot. I'm just going to pan over this fabric so you can see how delicious it really is with these lemons and this orange. So we are going to call this one Limoncello 2. Limoncello 2. Okay, this one has got youth and just freshness written all over it. It feels, and I mean, when I say youth, I mean, you know, like me and everybody who wants it. Nothing specific. But this collection, I just feel like we overlooked it. I feel like it just jumped away from us. We didn't visit it long enough, but I've paired it with this really cool watercolory, just beautiful light blue. It's special, especially with that floral. I think it goes so well. And then of course we've got that neon check, which let me tell it is an absolute basic. And this floral. Again, get into that floral, y'all. Look at all that detail, this olive here, the checks in the petals. It's just gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful fabric. I think this is a good pairing. We're gonna call this one Teal Whimsy. This fabric I have folded a little weird because I really wanted you to be able to see this Grecian kind of fabric right here. It is neat. I think it's very cool. It's got the geckos and everything. I do have it paired with one of my ombres, and then I have it also paired with something that just sets it off with that burgundy. Those burgundies match absolutely perfectly. I think we're gonna call this one Grecian Goddess. Now this one is definitely one of my favorites. This has got an edgier vibe to it. When this collection came in, I went absolutely crazy. I think this is just one of the best collections ever done. Wait till you guys see how I keep putting it together. I'll probably give you 2 or 3 in this fabric drop, and then of course you can see more on my website. But this collection is absolutely iconic. So we're gonna call this particular set right here with this houndstooth, this splatter, and this graffiti, we are gonna call it iconic because I think it sums it up perfectly. All right, this collection looks amazing. I love it. It's got just Rockstar written all over it. Matter of fact, that's what we're going to call this one. We're going to call this one Rockstar. The graffiti, the tartan, the leopard print, or is that cheetah? I don't know. It's a fictitious kind of thing going on here, but whatever it is, it's absolutely awesome, and we are going to nail our samples with this. Okay, now unfortunately, this is Anna Maria's last collection with Free Spirit. And I am talking about this because Anna Maria people will get it. If you are an Anna Maria girly, you definitely understand why this kit looks the way that it does. You know what to do with it. You know the vibe that it's going to give once you put it together. So that is a huge print. That is my hand. It's as large as my hand. And then I'm going to show you this stripe, which my family was going goo goo gaga over. They really, really, really enjoyed the colors in that stripe. And then they even enjoyed that print. So I think I got this one right. It's definitely for a very specific person. Everybody will not understand this. This is a lot going on. But her kits are a lot. The way that her aesthetic is a very busy kind of aesthetic. But I like this. I think all 3 of them together definitely does what it's supposed to do. But it's sad that she left Free Spirit, but I'm happy that I got in on this last collection. And we are going to call this Gone But Not Forgotten. So if you are an animal person, a bird person, this one is for you. Look at these big, pretty birds. With that, oh my goodness, these flowers look amazing. I went ahead and paired them with another blender. We're just gonna let these 2 be the stars of the show. You could certainly do a double focus with this, especially if whatever pattern you chose broke them up. But even so, just these 2 sitting next to each other is just a good time. Lots of movement, tons and tons of color. And if you are a bird person, this is for you. We're calling this one Toucan Mania because, oh my goodness, there's a lot happening here. But very, very pretty.